Yesterday, our phone bank was staffed with experts taking calls from people needing help paying their bills. And today, we're going to continue that effort. We've got 4 relatively new products that can take some of the shock out of your next utility bill. So I'm joined by Gary Neidert with the Fort Worth Home and Garden Show, which is happening this weekend. You've got some really I want to start with this first one because this has really knocked my socks off here. Tell us how this one works.
Okay, this is a new device. It's with peak energy technology. What it does, this is something that you can install in the breaker box.
Okay.
Has to be installed by a licensed electrician, but it just goes in with another set of breakers. What it does, it will take the energy that's used, the electricity that's used by electric motors, fluorescent lights, and transformers, and it recycles that energy. We can give a demo here real quick.
Let's do that quickly.
All right, we got the electric motor turned on right here.
Okay.
And
that's reading, I don't know if you can see that at home, that's reading about, what, 6 right now? 6:10, okay. Now watch this magic that happens.
Now this motor will stay constant with the amps.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put it up here. And this is the electric line that's coming where it's plugged into.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to turn the device on, and you can see how the amps
oh my goodness
drop.
Gracious. Everybody wants one of these in their house right now. You
absolutely, absolutely. Now, on the motor, the amps still stay the same.
Amazing, amazing.
Through the technology of this, it's able to recycle the electricity and ultimately saves your energy bill.